Okay, here we go. Bluetooth off. There it is. We wanted to do a video because I guess you guys aren't believing me that I'm doing a test and it's coming up fine. So you guys are asking me to continuously run signal tests. We'll turn this cellular data off. And we'll do everything that you guys asked me to do, and we'll do it on camera because I guess you're just calling me a liar by continuously asking me to do these same tests over and over again. The device is not working properly. We need a new device, is what it sounds like. It has nothing to do with the connection. Bluetooth is off. Cellular data is off. There's no other test going to be done after this as far as testing the connection. There's no need to test it from my hotspot on my phone. I will not be using it with my Wi-Fi hotspot on my phone. So why would I test it that way? It makes no sense. But here we go. I'm standing at my front door running the test. Okay. I am outside. I am outside in the regular world. Look at the download speed. I'm standing right next to the Ring doorbell. There it is. Download speed is plenty. Upload speed is next. This test, I'm standing outside, proves that there is nothing wrong with my Wi-Fi. Therefore, we need to stop checking the Wi-Fi connection and do whatever it is that needs to be done to replace or fix this device. It's not doing its job. What are we preparing? There's the upload speed. It needs to be 2. It's 3 times that. At times, 4 times that. At times, it's been as much as 5 times that. But there's the test results right there. Ran it fresh. And just for you guys that are special there, we're going to run it again. Again, I'm standing at the doorbell. Wi-Fi is the only thing on. Cellular data is not on. Bluetooth is not on. I am outside in front of my door, in front of the doorbell. Download speed is adequate. Upload speed is adequate. There's no more need to run Wi-Fi test to test the connection. The connection is not the issue. We need to move on to more productive troubleshooting methods or replace this device, please.